Hi, everyone. We've all had points in our life, I'm sure you have, where we've been overwhelmed by change. Some of it perhaps by choice. Very often, it's not by choice at all. Stresses, changes, unexpected events. These are all things that can really throw us off kilter. And hi, I'm Lori Ingram. I'm a spiritual coach, a spiritual counselor, and an interfaith minister. And one of the things I've learned in life is that you are able to build your resilience muscle, so to speak. Those are skills that we can harvest and really develop within ourselves. I know that in my own life, resilience is something that I can look back on and see how I took opportunities in my life to add tools to my personal toolkit for self-care, but to also strengthen a knowledge of myself and really reach out to learn more about how I can really become a resilient person, and much of which is all based in science. So I am offering a 6-week resilience odyssey where you can companion me on a journey going through the science of resilience, learning all different tools and practices that you can bring into your life to help you build that core of resilience that will help you through the changes in life that are inevitable for all of us. The changes, stresses, I'm very grounded in mindful practices. Really changed my life when I picked up meditation and mindfulness over 10 years ago now. And there are many things that I do in my day to day to help me navigate my life, the life of those around me, the world at large. So, in this 6-week series, each week I'll have a live. You can join me live or you can watch the recording where we'll talk about what resilience is, the science of resilience, the practices, why it's important to have these kinds of skills in life. You'll also receive a workbook, and we'll have practices each week that you can practice and take with you and see how they fit in your life. If you're interested, you can also upgrade and receive several one-on-one sessions with me where we will go through your experience, talk about what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and how you can continue once the 6 weeks is over. The recordings will be available to you if you purchase the course. You'll have access to the recordings as well as the workbook as long as the course is available on my website, which should be a long time. I'm also going to be adding in a 7th bonus session where we'll do some creative activities as well. So that will be an added bonus for anyone who does subscribe and purchase the program. So I hope to see you there. This might be a little different than some other programs you've done, but everything I teach and everything I share are things that I have learned in my life, use in my own life. So I know of their importance, I know of their practicality, and I hope to see you there. So if you have any questions, you can reach out, uh, comment on this video, send me an email, Lori@loriingram.com, or find me someplace. So I look forward to seeing you. Take good care. Bye.